Hello Muffins, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup video. This is a silver glitter smoky eye makeup tutorial. This is a very quick and easy look to create. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell on. For your eye makeup to stand out, it is extremely important that you prep your eyelids. So first I apply an eyeshadow base or a concealer and I set it down with some loose powder. For this makeup look, I'm first using the Maybelline black gel liner and I'm going to apply this with a flat angled brush. I'm going to draw a line outwards from the corner of my eye and then extend it over my crease like so. I'm then going to go ahead and line my eyes. I will keep this line quite thick so that it stands out against the silver. Then I'm gonna thicken the wing a little more like so. I like using a gel liner over a black eyeshadow because it is way more pigmented. Also, it helps me create sharper lines. I'm using the same gel liner in my lower waterline as well. I'm going to extend the liner towards the inner corner of my eyes and create a point. Next, I'm using the pressed glitter eyeshadow in shade Crystal from Glitter Galaxy Cosmetics. With a small flat brush, I'm going to apply this within the black outline that I have created. The thing I like most about these eyeshadows is that you do not need to apply any glue to stick them on. You can directly apply it with a brush or even your fingers. They have a whole range of colors to choose from and they're reasonably priced. I will link their social media details down in the description box so that you can check it out. Next, I'm applying a black eyeshadow all around the black outline that I created with the gel liner. With a small round brush, I will go ahead and blend the black eyeshadow to give it a smoky effect. My aim was to sort of create a shadow effect. Next, I'm applying a mascara to my lashes. All the products that I have used in this tutorial are mentioned in the description box below. The eye look is now complete. I'll dust off any glitter particles and go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. So this is the finished look. I was not really happy with the lipstick that I used. Probably a lighter matte lipstick would look better with this look. Although this is a quick and easy look to create, I love how dramatic it looks. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. I hope that you all liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.